This is the M2 ruggedized sports smartwatch and one of the many always-on AMOLED screens. Yeah, it looks like a real screen, but it's actually the dimmed AMOLED screen. Twist your wrist, there's the actual screen. Lots of other faces that are like that too, all doing the same thing with their own always-on display. Really sharp. Swipe down, you get all these different controls. You've seen these before. Settings, do not disturb, Bluetooth calling, audio streaming, and it sounds beautiful. And swipe up, you get notifications sent from your phone. When you swipe off to the left now, you get all of the information for making and receiving phone calls. Bluetooth connected to your phone. Come over here, you got a built-in music player. Now you can play music on the watch, installed on here, or from your phone. And when you play it, listen to this. Great quality, super clean. Come on over again. Now here's all your step count, calories burned, distance traveled information. It shows you the charts on all of this stuff. Come again. Now you've got your heart rate information over the past 24 hours. It'll start making a measurement. It also tells you heart rate variability. You're going to see on this particular watch, you have a lot of biometrics you don't normally see on all the different watches. Resting heart rate, for example. That usually is just something difficult to come by. You come on over again, and now you've got blood oxygen readings, including stress levels that are calculated. You have a fatigue level. Honest to goodness, it'll tell you what your level of fatigue is. Then your emotions. Yeah, it's calculating a dot diagram over the last 24 hours of what your emotional state is and shows you what percentage of the time you're happy or calm or depressed. Things to work on, huh? Pi is a whole deep topic in itself. What you do is you look at this number and try to improve it. You've got last sports activity that you've done, and you can go into this and you can take a deeper look at any of these and start another workout with integrated GPS as well in here. Now, keeps on going. Beyond all of that stuff, you also have last night's sleep time broken down with a chart showing you your awake, your deep sleep, and your regular sleep, and your respiratory rate while you're asleep too. Like I said, a lot of biometrics there. Whether in your area or any city you want to put in, and forecast information that goes along with it. You can add alarms. You can use your Siri or Google to ask questions. You also have air pressure and your current altimeter. You've got a compass built into this. It's snappy and fast. Man, it just goes on and on. You can edit cards and add more to it if you want to. When you go this way, he says, you get your dial pad, call records, all that stuff. All of these things you've pretty much seen already, but there they are in the app drawer. Exercises, your exercise history, workout status is pretty cool. You can see your recovery time and other things in here. A stopwatch that'll run in the background, the music player, ladies, your health is in there too, and breathing exercises. Yeah. Offline maps are on this one. You can save a trajectory to the cloud, a route that you've taken, and then you can bring it up and work with that route. I've never seen so much on a smartwatch like this. It's really sophisticated one. Rotating knob can change you to the different watch faces. This is one downloaded from the store. It's really nice. First of all, it's thick, it's heavy, it's stocky, it's got integrated bands that are non-removable. It is really a true sports enthusiast smartwatch. It's the M2. Check it out.